Welcome to Nominally Campaign Assignments. In this video, we're going to walk through the process of assigning campaigns to your contacts and groups. Oftentimes, you will want to create campaigns specifically designed for certain groups of people associated with your studio. The easy way to do this is to begin with creating groups. Some examples of groups you might consider are boot camps, challenge groups, or new prospects from lead magnets. Be sure to watch our video entitled Automating Your Campaigns with Groups in Zapier to become a Nominally super user, as this will really bring some powerful automation when it comes to managing incoming leads from your lead magnet programs. Now let's take a look at the groups view. To get to groups, you just click on the communicate menu up at the top and then click on the groups tab. In here, we have these column headers, and let's just briefly walk through them. You have group name, you have assigned campaign, total members, and then the breakdown of each contact type in the total, which are active, prospect, and alumni, and then the last time it was used. Also, in the actions, you have the ability to copy a group, you can edit a group, and you can delete a group. In the assigned campaigns column, you'll notice these green bubbles here. And the important thing here to note is that each one of these bubbles has an icon in it that designates whether it's an active or a prospect, or there could be alumni as well. And what that means is, in each group, you can have a multitude of contact types of alumni, prospect, and active, but a campaign, as you can see here, this group is assigned to a campaign, and campaigns can only be assigned to one contact type at any given time. So that's one important thing to note. Now let's go into creating a group. Click on the group button there, and then you can easily add in a group name. And then at this point, you can also assign the group to a campaign that you may have already created. And in this group here, when you're creating it, you just select whichever members you want to be a part of that group. And then once your groups are created, you can go in and edit them, and you can remove people from the group, or you can edit the name, and then also edit the campaign to which it's assigned. Now, let's take a look at the various ways in which you can assign campaigns. So from here, we're going to go up to contacts, and then you can click on active client or add prospect. And in either one of these windows, you can scroll down and you can see here that you can assign a contact to a group, which would already be attached to a campaign. So that's one way to enter a person into a campaign, is through groups. And then down here, you also have the campaign assignment for the default campaign in case you have a default campaign set up. Next, we're going to go over to an individual contact. So let me just type Sean, March 14th. So you can click on an individual contact, and then you can go into the campaigns view and simply click on this button right here, assign contact to campaign, and choose the campaign. So that's another way. And then finally, let's go into communicate, campaign, and then let's find last update, last created. Let's go into this campaign right here, and we'll edit it, update it. And then over in step 3 of the assignment is where you can select the groups that you may have created, and you can also select individual contacts. And those are the ways in which you can assign campaigns. And that concludes our walkthrough on how to assign a campaign to your contacts and groups. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@nominally.com. Thanks for watching.